Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build personal assistants with Amazon Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a personal assistant with Amazon Alexa, start by creating an Amazon developer account. Go to the Alexa developer console and log in with your account. Click on Create Skill to begin the process. Choose a skill type that fits your project. For custom features, select Custom. Enter a name for your skill that reflects its purpose. Next, set the default language for your skill. Click Create Skill to proceed to the skill development page. Once there, define the interaction model for your assistant. Start with the invocation name. This is what users will say to activate your skill. Then, define the intents that outline what your skill can do. Add sample utterances for each intent to provide examples of user requests. Use the built-in intents for common functions, like help or cancel requests. After defining intents, head to the endpoint section. Choose an endpoint type. For most users, AWS Lambda is recommended. Create a new Lambda function in the AWS Management Console. Select Hello World as a template to simplify your initial setup. Once the Lambda function is created, copy the ARN. Return to the Alexa developer console and paste the ARN into the endpoint section. Now, go to the Test tab in the Alexa developer console. Enable the test function to start testing your skill. Use the test simulator to enter phrases that trigger your skill. Make adjustments to intents and utterances based on your tests. To add more functionality, consider integrating APIs or external data. Set up AWS services like DynamoDB for data storage if needed. Make sure to handle user interactions gracefully in your code. Once satisfied, submit your skill for certification. Follow the guidelines provided by Amazon for a successful review. After your skill is certified, it will be available for users to enable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.